they are called cutlery. So let's review that. The cutleries are knife, fork, spoon, knife, yes, teaspoon, yes, okay, yes, all of these are cutlery. So knife, fork, spoon, teaspoon, soup spoon, uh-huh. And so, yes, don't mistake with here in the picture, as we can see, we have these here, I put in the emphasis, these aren't cutleries. Here I have a cup, here I have a plate. Number 7, what is number 7? Number 7, it's a drawer. There are 2 drawers here, okay? There are 2 drawers, okay? Now we have this. This is the saucepan. Number 10 is a saucepan. And number 11, it's a kettle. Kettle. Do you use kettles for boiling tea? Do you use kettles for boiling tea? No, I don't use kettle for boiling for boiling water in my house. For boiling water, boiling, for boiling water, boiling water, at home. Okay. What is the outlet of the smoke called? We have the outlet of the smoke. I will show you in details. The outlet for the smoke is chimney, and through the pipes. Through the pipes, okay. Okay. This is a fridge. The door of the fridge is open. Is the door of the fridge closed? Is the door of the fridge closed? The door of the fridge isn't open. Isn't open. First negative, isn't open. So yes, this is the question. The question first, remember, in our method, we say first negative and after positive. Yes, okay. Yes, it isn't closed, but it's open. Yes, it isn't open, closed, but it's open. Can you see some fruits in the fridge? I can see some, like, what? No. Here is generic. Can you see some fruits in the fridge? Can you see some fruits in the fridge? Yes, I can. Some food. Some as alguns, não tem muito, we don't have a lot of. We have some, it's just in one shelf. So numa prateleira, it's not a lot of fruit. We have some fruit, it's okay. Such as, when I give the names, we say such as grapes. Grapes are the small one. Grape, pear, pera, pear, okay, banana, banana, okay. Here down we have some eggs, meat, probably, meat, okay, and milk. Okay, and here in number 8, we have a detail for fra. Think on fra, like a air fryer, frying pan. We use the frying pan to cook eggs and bacon. And egg, okay, eggs and bacon. Yeah. Um, this is the next question. What can we fry in the frying pan? What can we fry in the frying pan? We can fry. We can fry. Fry. We can fry. Mhm. Okay, let's put what? We can fry eggs and bacon in the frying pan. In the frying pan, okay. Okay, now let's continue reviewing this part. This was the question that you read and answered. So here, this is a kettle. Why is a kettle useful? Why is a kettle useful? A kettle is useful to boil water. Mhm. And make coffee, tea, and make coffee and tea or soup. Sometimes we have instant soup, like they have a name for noodles. Noodles are like miojo. Sometimes we can put just the water from the frying pan. Okay. Do you have a kettle? Do you use a kettle a lot in your house? Do you use a kettle a lot? No, I don't use a kettle a lot house, okay. Is soup in the cauldron? Is soup in the cauldron? Cauldron is caldeirão, but is this a cauldron? This is where we put soup. We put soup here. So this is the question. Is soup put in a cauldron? No, I help you. No, soup isn't put in a cauldron, but soup is put in the soup tureen or in the big bowl. Yes, bowl, not ball, but bowl, big bowl. Okay. What do we see? Here are the plates. What can you see under the plates? Under the plates. But what can you see? What can you see? Uh-huh. Yes, there are 6 places in the dresser under the cauldron, under or below, really, below the cauldron. The plates are here. But what can you see below the plates? What can you see below the plates? Below the plates, I can see. I can see a can. No, a can and a pot. If you look at the end of your book on page 102, we have a pot. This is number 2. It's number 2. Pot and a can, a milk can. Can. And pot, exactly. Okay. Where do we generally keep the liquids? Where do we generally keep the liquids? We generally keep the liquids in, in the in the bottles, okay? Should the ice box be left open? Should the ice box be left open? No, the ice box shouldn't be open. But the ice box should be left closed. Okay, this is the floor. This is the floor. Is this a common floor or a tiled floor? Is this a common floor or a tiled floor? Tiled floor, black and white tiled floors. Okay, and here, what is this? Where can we wash the dishes? Where can we wash the dishes? We can wash the dishes. The dishes. Sink, very good. In the sink. Okay, in the sink. Who is cooking? Who is cooking? Is cooking. The cook. The cook. Oh, the cook is cooking. Yes, but if you say, no, she's not a cooker. She's never a cooker. Look, this is a cooker. This. This is a cooker. É o que mandou. This is a cooker. This woman, she is a cook. She is a cook. Cook. And what is she doing? She is cooking in the saucepan on the oven, on the stove. Yes. Are you good at cooking pasta? Are you good at cooking pasta? I'm not good at cooking pasta. Okay, but are you good at cooking like what are you cooking at? What are you good at cooking? I'm good at cooking. At cooking rice and beans. Soup. I'm good at cooking soup. I'm good at cooking soup. Okay, excellent. Okay, good. This was a reviewing of lesson number 5 from Times Square and the visual aid number 3. Okay, let's review some things now. Just give me a second. And okay.